Hi friends, today we are focusing on topic 2.3, extending tables. Our I can sentence today is I can use a rule to complete a table of number pairs. If you want to take a pause, get your whiteboard, your marker, a piece of paper, pencil, anything you need for today's lesson, pause the video and get that out. Okay, friends, welcome back. Hope you got all your markers and stuff. Today's focus is what pairs of numbers fit a pattern. We've already learned how to find rules and numbers for a pattern, but today we are going to learn how pairs of numbers relate to one another, and you are going to complete pairs in a pattern. First, I want you to take a second and think. What's something that you guys see in everyday life that comes in packages with several items in each package? Say I'm going to Hy-Vee or I'm just going to the store in general and I need to buy something. What's something that you guys see that comes in a package, but there's multiple things in each package? Take a second, think about it. Some things that I was thinking about is that eggs, they come in cartons and there's 12 eggs in each carton. There's multiple things that come in that package. If you're looking at Kleenex, if you brought Kleenex to school, for the supply list, sometimes they come in packs of 3. If you're buying paper towels, sometimes those come in packs of 3 as well. Sometimes they come in even bigger packs, or toilet paper comes in packs of like 12 or 24. Those are all things that come that is packaged, but there's several items that come in each package. Let's take a look at this chart right here. This chart is telling me how many packs I have, the number of packs, and the number of juice boxes that come in each pack. So if I have one pack, it has 3 juice boxes in each pack. If I have 2 packs, it has 6 juice boxes in each pack. If I have 3 packs, it has 9 juice boxes in each pack. Let's take a second and draw this as a picture. So if I were to draw this as a picture, I know if I have one pack, I have 3 juice boxes in each pack. So here's my one pack, my first box. I have 1, 2, 3 juice boxes in that box total. If I look at number 2, if I have 2 packs or 2 boxes, there it is. I have 1, 2, and I have 3 juice boxes in each box, giving me a total of 6 juice boxes. I have 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total of 6 juice boxes in each pack. If I have 3 packs, I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 juice boxes total. 9 juice boxes. So we're going to continue to look at this. If I know that we have 3 juice boxes in one pack, 6 juice boxes in 2 packs, and 9 juice boxes in 3 packs, how am I going to know how many juice boxes are in 4 packs? What am I continuously adding by? Remember that number line from yesterday? What am I continuously adding by to get the next number? Take a minute, pause, think about it. If you said that we are adding by 3 each time, you are correct. If we have 3 plus 3, we have 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So we know our rule is add 3. And we're going to continue that. So we're going to add 3 for here. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 again is 15. Plus 3 again is 18. Uh-oh. We have hit a crossroads, friends. It's not going up to 7 this time. It's going up to 10. What do we do here? Take a minute, pause, think about it. One way I can think about this, if I know my rule is adding by 3, and I need to figure out how many number of juice boxes come in 10 packs, I can draw the picture. Looking at this front side, we know that we have 3 juice boxes in one pack. So if we have 10 packs and we know we have still 3 juice boxes come in each pack, we can draw this picture and count up by threes to figure out how many come in 10 packs. Another way we can look at this is if we were to draw a number line. If we look at our chart earlier, we saw that we ended at 18. We knew that was 6 packs. So if we keep adding up by 3 from starting at 18, we will be able to find how many juice boxes come in 10 packs. So let's do that. So we know 1, 2, 3, plus 3 is 21. We know that's 7 packs, plus 3 again. That's 8 packs. Plus 3, 27 is 9 packs. 10 packs. So we know that we have 30 juice boxes in 10 packs. But what about 100 packs? How are we going to think about that? That's not really, that's kind of a big number. I don't want to draw 100 boxes. I don't want to draw this number line. What are some things that we can do? Take a minute, pause, think about it. I want us to take a look back at our chart here. So from yesterday, we know that if we keep adding by 3, that is our rule. But if we look at our chart, can we figure out anything that looks similar? Anytime can we multiply by a certain number to get our answer, to get the number of juice boxes? What I'm noticing, friends, is that if I multiply my number of packs by 3, I'm going to get how many juice boxes? Let's see if that works for everyone. If I multiply 2 times 3, oh, yeah, that works. If I multiply 3 times 3, that's 9. 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 3 is 15. Oh my goodness. 18. Even for 10 times 3, does that one work too? So if we know that all of these can be multiplied by 3, instead of making all of those 100 boxes and 100 packs to find out how many juice boxes, what if I just multiplied 100 times 3? And that would give me 300. Let's start to think about some real world situations where we might see this. So, say I am at a bicycle store and I see one bicycle. Just off the back of your head, you know that a bicycle has 2 wheels. A tricycle has 3 wheels, but a bicycle has 2 wheels, one in the front and one in the back. Say I go even further into the bicycle store and I find 2 bicycles. How many wheels do I have total? I know it tells you right here, but you would have 4 wheels. You have 2 bicycles. Each bicycle has 2 wheels. You would have 4 wheels total. Looking and remembering about how we can use multiplication for our rules now, not only addition, not only subtraction, but we can use multiplication now. How would I find out how many 3 bicycles, how many wheels 3 bicycles have, or how many 4 bicycles have? Or what about 5? Take a minute, pause, unpause when you come back with the answers. Your chart should look a little bit similar to mine, even though we can add by 2. In this case, for our multiplication rule, we can multiply by 2. We know that 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, and that is our rule. Following that, we should have 6 wheels if we have 3 bikes, 4 times 2, 8 wheels if we have 4 bikes, and 10 wheels if we have 5 bikes. So what is our rule? Our rule is multiply by 2. Let's take a look at one more example, a real life example. So we are looking at the number of spiders I have and the number of legs each spider has. Got some little spooky spiders up there. If I count the legs on my spider, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I know that a spider has 8 legs. If I were to have 2 spiders, what would be my multiplication rule? For this. Take a second, think about it. If I had 2 spiders, I could draw two spiders, and I could count up. I know that one has eight, and I go keep counting 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I know that two spiders would have 16 legs total. My rule for this case would be multiplied by 2, even though that 8 times 2 is 16. We are looking at our graph this way. 1 times 8 would be 8. 2 times 8 would be 16, and so on and so forth. I don't want you guys to get confused. Even though 8 times 2 is 16, it wouldn't work this way. We have to go with our number of spiders comparing our number of legs, not our number of legs with legs. If I were to have this rule continue for 4 and for 7, how many legs would I get? If I did 4 times 8, I would get 32. And if I did 7 times 8, I would get 56 legs. Ugh, that's a lot of legs. Kind of creepy if you think about it. Okay, so yeah, that was our problem. I am going to switch over to our I can statement. And we're at our I can statement. At the end of today's lesson, after end of the you working with your Google Classroom things, if you're in person working with your teachers, you should be able to say this. And I bolded it and I did all this fun stuff because you can do it. I can use a rule to complete a table of number pairs that represent real world situations. And that's what you should be able to do today. So good luck, have fun. Yay!